So, how about I take her out for a test drive? If I like the way she runs, you've got yourselves a sale. Just name the price.
Hey, he says we can name the price. This guy must be a real sucker.
Mr. Barker, we have a deal.
That's it! We tried doing things your way. Now we're gonna do things my way. Boss, over here!
Thanks for the help, fellas. I always appreciate a good jailbreak. Willy Walrus, nice to meet you.
We thought you was Eggman.
Oh, I get mistaken for him all the time. In fact, I was just talking to him about it last night. I was walking through the marketplace when...
You just lost a customer, pal!
Whoa! Who's this handsome fella?
Oh, you honey dripper. I'd love to stay and chat, but I gotta break into a helium warehouse.
Well, you bumped into the right walrus. Breaking and entering is my speciality.
Well, what are we waiting for? After you. How do we know these are helium?
I'm not sure. If only there were some way to tell.
And that's the last I saw of him. I spent the rest of the night in the joint. Breaking and entering is my speciality, but I'm not so good at exiting.